In this video, I will express sin 6x in terms of sin x and cosine of x by rewriting sin 6x equals to sin 2 times 3x. How do we do this? We can let theta equals to 3x for now. Then this is equal to sin 2 theta, right? Okay, so we can write this as sin 6x equals to sin 2 times 3x, and it's equal to sin 2 theta for now. What is the trigonometry identity for sin 2 theta? It is 2 sin theta cosine theta, right? Okay, since we let theta equals to 3x, we have to replace theta with 3x. So that is equal to 2 sin 3x cosine 3x. Now, what is the trigonometry identity for sin 3x and cosine 3x? Let's write them here. Sin 3x is equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Cosine 3x is equal to 4 cosine cube x minus 3 cosine of x. So this is equal to 2 times 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x times 4 cosine cube x minus 3 cosine of x. Now let's expand and distribute. Let's distribute the 2 first. So that would be 6 sin x minus 8 sin cube x times 4 cosine cube x minus 3 cosine x. So now, distribute them. Okay, so 6 sin x times 4 cosine cube x is 24 sin x cosine cube x. This times this will be minus 18 sin x cosine x. This times this will be minus 32 sin cube x cosine cube x. This times this will be plus 24 sin cube x cosine x. Okay, now we have both sin x and cosine of x. However, we are trying to express sin 6x in terms of sin x and cosine of x. So we should try to convert cosine x into sin x if we can. Now, we do know that sin square x is equal to 1 minus cosine square x. And here, we're going to rewrite cosine cube x into cosine x times cosine square x. So that's equal to 24 sin x times cosine of x times cosine square x. So this is cosine cube x. Now minus 18 sin x cosine x. You cannot do too much about this, so we'll keep this the same. Now minus here, you can rewrite this 32 sin cube x times cosine x times cosine square x. Here, we'll keep the same. 24 sin cube x cosine x. Okay, now, for the one that is cosine square x, we can rewrite that as 1 minus sin square x. Okay, I should write this. Cosine square x is equal to 1 minus sine square x. Here, so this one will be equal to 24 sine x cosine x times 1 minus sine square x minus 18 sine x cosine x minus 32 sine cube x cosine x times. This is 1 minus sine square x. Plus 24 sine cube x cosine x. Okay, let's distribute. This will be 24 sine x cosine x minus 24 sine cube x cosine x. Now minus 18 sine x cosine x minus 32 sine cube x cosine x. Now minus become plus, so that would be 32 sine to the 5th x cosine x, and this is the same. Now let's group all the like terms together. So we should write this one the first, because it has the highest degree of power. 32 sine 5x cosine x. Next, maybe sine cube x. So minus 24 sine cube x cosine x minus 32 sine cube x cosine x plus 24 sine cube x cosine x. So this and this will cancel out. All I have left is just this. So minus 32 sine cube x cosine x. So now what I left is sine x cosine x. So plus 24 minus 18 will be plus 6 sine x cosine x. Okay, so that's everything. So this is sine 6x in terms of sine x and cosine of x. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.